Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the concept of background images. As the term only says, what do you mean by background images is nothing but whatever contents or the whatever document is there. Behind the document, I want to print certain image, okay, or I want to take certain image, I can take it. That is being done through the help of the background image. Okay, so how to use it in the whole program, that I will be discussing now. So let's check out with an example how this is being done. A background image property is being used for getting the images behind certain text. Okay, so let's check out. So you have a HTML tag, then you have head tag, then title, you have a background image. I'm just giving one title called as background image. Then style type, it is said to be a cascaded style type which is having a text file. Okay, so in the body, when you want to have a background image for the whole body, then you are said to be using the keyword body here, and afterwards whatever background image you are said to be giving, that has to be mentioned with the keyword background image, and you have to mention here the URL whichever which is being specified. So you have to start with the keyword URL colon URL, then whatever that file name is there, whichever file name it is there on your desktop or whichever file is there, you have to just give with that file name dot jpg, whichever format it is there, that you have to mention them. Okay, then in the paragraph, how it is being designed, image is there, over that one paragraph I want to print it. So in that paragraph I'll be giving the alignment of the text with certain font size. Okay, font color, font and font size is being considered. So you have text align, which is said to be justified both the sides, it is common, no changes are there, in same line it will be coming. Then it in front of the background, you need the color of the text in certain format. So the color of it is white color font, then size is of 25 points, and style close and head close. So in the body part, you have the paragraph which has all these contents which is being just typed. You can write your own paragraph if you want, write it, and body close and HTML close. So when you run the output through the HTML file, you are said to be getting this output. Okay, what is the background? This is your background which is being there, which is being chosen. Then you have the text, whatever is you are set to be typed there in the body part, that text it will be present here. You can see that font size is of 25 and the color is white color font it is being considered. Okay, like this you can give the background behind your text also. Okay, so another part is there in the background, you can consider there are two kinds of tags, span and div. So span is nothing but for certain amount of time or certain part, I want to make that text to appear in certain format, only some part. You can say in the whole document some part I want to make it with certain font size, then you are using either span or div tag. Okay, so span is nothing but I may use certain words, I may use one line, two lines, that part I want to like make certain font size, font color, font type, that I can mention it. Okay, through the help of the span. Okay, so here you have HTML tag, head tag, title is span, then style type is text type, cascaded style type it is being present, and in the span type which we have considered, that span is of color violet. Okay, and font size is 25, it belongs to Lucidia, that font type we are using, and color is violet. You can give the only span keyword also. Style close, head close. In the body part, paragraph is said to be starting with this sentence, and in between you can check out, sorry, in between you can check out here what has happened is you are using the span class, span violet. I am mentioning to this one, span violet. Your text is Puneet Rajkumar, you can give your own text, and span close. Afterwards the other text part is continue. So in between part I am using the concept of span, which will change that particular part only, not the whole line. It will change only that part only with certain fonts size and color, and it will be executed. So your body close and your HTML close is that. Okay, so this is the output which we have run. Like when the file is set to be run, you can check out with the file name whatever you give, that way it is being run on the browser. So in the beginning you have the line, after words you have the keywords Puneet Rajkumar, that is being considered with violet color, Lucidia family style. Then it is said to be spanned in between. Okay, and the text is being closed. Okay, the color is also violet which is being picked. Like this you can give certain part with the help of the span keyword. Another keyword is there called as div. Div is used for this section, certain section. I want to give certain font, color, size, everything, I can use it. So for example, here it is being considered HTML head, title, div, style type, text and cascaded styles, class 1, class 2, class 3, class, or any classes you can take, or only 2 classes you can take, which has its own font size 20, Lucidia family and violet. Class 2 font size 25, comics and ms, and color is green and style glow. So in the output, sorry, before that you are said to be considering the body part. Head is closed, then body part you have the div keyword here and the div keyword here. So one section is this one, which has the lines paragraph 1 under division 1, 2 under division 1, 3 under division 1. Your class 1 of div part and class 2 of div part. Here paragraph 1 division 2, division 2, division 2. Okay, it is being considered div close, body close, then HTML code. So all these lines, it will be referring to these font, okay, which are being divided into different sections, and they will be having their own font size and colors. Okay, so the output would be of this format. You can check out. The division is being considered among two formats. It has its own font and here it has its own font with color. Okay, here it is violet and here it is said to be green. Okay, like this you can use the concept of div, span, and even you can use the concept of background images. Okay, thank you.